Hello students, how are you? Hope every one of you is fit and fine at your homes. Students, I am your math teacher Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today we are going to start the sums of exercise 11.3 as we are continuing the chapter area and perimeter, and in this exercise the same concept is being followed. So listen to me carefully. We are going to start. Here sum number 1 is there. The figure in each set below are made up of 1 centimeter squares. Here you can see one picture is given to us, and here with the help of the squares these pictures are made, and the side of each figure is 1 centimeter. Here the small square is there and the side of that square is 1 centimeter. And find the perimeter and the area of each figure. Here you can see 6 pictures are there, and we have to find out the area as well as perimeter of all these 6 pictures. A and B questions are asked from us. Firstly we will find out the area and perimeter, then we will answer these both questions. Yes, here diagram A is there. Here we have to find out the area. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Area of this diagram is 8 square centimeter. Yes, and perimeter, while finding out the perimeter we will see only boundary. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Perimeter of this diagram is 14 centimeter. Yes. Now in B diagram, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Area of this diagram is 8 square centimeter, and perimeter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Yes, the perimeter of this is 14 centimeter. Yes, the perimeter of this diagram is 14 centimeter. Now in first part A and B diagrams are here, and the area of A diagram is 8 square centimeters and area of B diagram is also 8 square centimeters. Perimeter of this is 14 centimeter and the perimeter of B diagram is also 14 centimeter. Now let's move to B part, second part. Here diagram A is there. Area of this diagram 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Area is 13 square centimeter and perimeter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Perimeter of this diagram is 20 centimeter. Yes, now B diagram is there. Area of this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Area is 15 square centimeter and perimeter will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. Perimeter is 20 centimeter. Here the area is 13 and here the area is 15 square centimeters, and in both the diagrams perimeter is same. Now let's move to third part. There A and B diagrams are there. We will find out the area firstly. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Area is 9 square centimeter. Yes, and perimeter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Perimeter is 16 centimeter. And here area 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Area of this diagram is 9 square centimeter and perimeter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Perimeter is 12 centimeter. Now here we have to answer A and B questions. What is there in A question? Do figures A and B have the same area in each set? In each set, here area is 8 square centimeter, here area is 8 square centimeters, here area 13, here area 15, here area is 9, here area is 9. So here we can say in one part A and B diagram is having the same area, and in third part A and B diagram having the same area. So here we will write in part 1 and in part 3 the diagrams are having the same area. Yes, A and B having the same area. Now in B part, do they have the same perimeter in each set? Yes, here perimeter we can see here in first perimeter is same, in second again perimeter is same, in third perimeter is not same. So we will say in first part and in second part perimeter is same. In first part and in second part the perimeter is same. Yes students, now let's move to sum number 2. These figures below are made up of 1 centimeter squares. Here you can see these 4 diagrams are given. Yes, find the area and perimeter of each figure, then fill the table given below. Firstly, diagram A is there. First we have to find out the perimeter as well as the area. Now perimeter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The perimeter of figure A is 12 centimeter and the area 1 2 3 4 5. Area is 5 square centimeters. Yes, now let's move to B part. Here perimeter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The perimeter of B diagram is 12 centimeters and the area is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 square centimeters. Now let's move to C part. Perimeter of this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The perimeter is 12 centimeter and the area is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. The area is 9 square centimeters and here perimeter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The perimeter is 12 centimeter and the area 1 2 3 4 5. Area is 5 square centimeters. And what do we observe in this table? This is asked from us that what do you observe from the results in the table. Here we can see the perimeter of all the diagram is same but their area is different. So it is the conclusion from this observation that if the perimeter of the diagram is same, then it is not compulsory the area will also be same. So we will write here the figures with same perimeter may have different area. It's not compulsory that if the perimeter is same then the area will be same. It's not compulsory. Yes, because with the same perimeter we can see here are the different areas of the diagrams. So with this this exercise is over and this chapter is also over. So you have to do all these sums in your maths book with the help of the pencil in good handwriting. Thanks and have a beautiful day ahead.